Welcome to Chapter 4. So, Chapter 4 is all about decision structures, and we'll get to that in just a second. But what I want to do over the next couple of minutes is show you what we have planned for the next 2 weeks. So, what you'll notice at the top of this module says 2 weeks, but everything in one module. So, what we're going to be doing is taking the whole 2 weeks on all the assignments what we do at the end of the week. And the reason for that is because when we're dealing with decisions, one of the things that you really need to know, if I just kind of go through the topics just really quickly over here, you'll see we're talking about if statements, and so you get to that. But all of the programs that you'll see we'll use something called triparse, which is sort of at the end of the chapter. You can see this is in section 4.9, right at the end. And you need to be able to understand how to use triparse because you're going to use it in these programs. And in fact, you'll notice even the very first program that we have assigned, the 4-2, this particular program has a video that goes along with it, and you'll see Kip uses it even in this one. And this is, problem number 2. So anyway, so what I've done this week is I've put everything in here. You won't have any assignments due this first week. So what is that? October 6th, I think, right? So nothing due on October 6th, but everything will be due on October 13th. There's a lot in this chapter, so please don't wait until Sunday, the 13th, to start these things. All right. So anyway, so we will take a look at triparse in here. You'll even see there's a video right here validating input with triparse that Kip does. So again, all the normal stuff that you would see with the PowerPoint, and then all the videos are in here. Some of the other things that you'll notice as you roll along through, you see my programming lab. We'll look at that in just a second. But here are your assignments. I remember that looks like a lot right now, but this is 2 weeks worth of assignments. So let me just scroll down and put them all on the screen. So we have this one that has the video that goes with it, and then you'll see these other assignments here. And then at the end is our the video tutorial assignments for the kayak rental company. And for this kayak rental app or program, what we're doing is continuing on. So it's the only one that really does that. So you'll take what you have from last chapter, and you're going to go through these 3 videos and add some new things to it. Okay, so this is the kayak rental program is the only one that we are using from week to week. All right. So anyway, so there's that. And just to show you just really quickly my programming lab, there's quite a bit in for this week. So you can see over here there's nothing in 4.1 and there's nothing in 4.5, but there's quite a bit as you kind of step down through this. So don't forget about this. I would say before doing your programs, definitely practice in these sections. All right, that's what they're there for. So it's for you to be able to practice and get instant feedback if you're having trouble. Remember, you can look at the solution tab and get the solutions there. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have fun with if statements.